Okay, so today we are going to do things a little bit differently than how we did on yesterday. Today we have dividends that are 2-digit. Yesterday we only had 1-digit dividends. So it's just a little bit different, but it's the same thing. Okay, and as always, we begin by creating our chart with our multiplication on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There you go. Always listen to 9. Now, the thing is that this is actually not that complicated, 16. What I have the children do is I have them break this down into base 10. So that means that 16 is composed of 1 10 and 6 ones. Just like that. There you go. So when they come here, they're going to do the same thing. They're going to go 1 10 and 6 ones, because we don't really know our 16s just off the top of our head. That's hard, and we don't always want to add over and over again. So we keep doing this for every single one. I'm going to show you really quick like what it's going to do. So for instance, if I were to count all of this in the 1, we would have 16. Okay? Then when I get to the 2, I'm going to count both of these. So I'm going to go 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 is the number. So 16 times 2 is 32. Then when I get here, same thing. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. 48. And then when we get here, same thing. And you're going to start over. Okay? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 64. Right? So that's basically how they're supposed to do, since they don't know their 16s. I mean, rarely do I have a kid that knows their 16s, so, you know. Okay. So, okay, let's do this. 80. Okay. 96. Okay, and 112, and 16 more than that is 128, and 16, 144. Okay, so now that we have all that figured out, it is the exact same way we usually do things. Okay, first we're going to see if 16 can go into 3, and most children can logically say, hey, that's not going to happen. But here's the thing. We're going to come down here and we're going to look for our 3 down here. We don't have a 3 and we don't have anything less than a 3. So we put a 0 here. I teach the kids, if they put a 0 here, they're more than likely going to subtract 0. Because 0 times 16 is 0. Solve it first. 3. Okay? Now, some children think that they're going to look here. No. You're not going to look here yet. In order to look here, you got to bring something down. So we're going to bring this 8 down. Okay? Bring that 8 down. And then we're going to look here. Now, we don't have 38 on here. So we're going to look for something close to 38 and less than it. So the number that is close to 38 and less is going to be our 32. Right there. Okay? It's important that first you put your 2 on top, because we forget to put our 2 on top. So there we go. Then we subtract what's on bottom, which is 32. Okay. 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, and if they want to put their 0 here, that's fine. But if they don't want to, they don't have to. Can I look at my chart? Go ahead, Brian. Can I look at my chart?
No.
No. Can't look at my chart. So I'm going to bring this down so that I can look at my chart. There we go. Now can I look at my chart?
Yes.
Yep. There we go. So I'm going to circle this because I found my 64 right there. Okay. So I'm going to take my 4 to the top. I'm going to subtract my 64. And I am done. Thank you.